Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your Facebook business cover. And more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video. And that is, how do you create a Facebook business cover for free in Canva? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, a real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a Facebook cover anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, you know that branding is quite important, and adding a Facebook cover into your Facebook page gives it a nice professional look. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your Canva account. Be sure to check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into my Canva account, and this test account, I have the free account. So you're going to be able to do this for free. Of course, there are various paid options, but we'll go over that. So in order to create a Facebook business page cover, you want to click right here on the search bar and type in Facebook business cover. Okay, guys, so once you do that, you want to go ahead and scroll down until you see this section, Canva template, and then click on see all. Okay, so here you're going to see all of the Facebook cover templates available. You can see there's quite a few of them. Now, some of these, actually most of them are free. However, there are some that are the pro version right here. However, if you want to go ahead and just use the free ones like me, what you want to do is click up here on all filters, and then you're going to see this pop out here on the left, and just scroll to the bottom and click on free, and then click on apply. Okay, so here are all of the Facebook business cover templates available that are free. So you can kind of just scroll through and then just see which one kind of lines up with your brand. So let's see here. I kind of like this one right here, yellow and purple. So let me go ahead and click here. Now, the cool thing about Canva is once you click on a template, they're going to show you other ones that are similar. So sometimes you can scroll down and find a better one. But for me, this one looks good. So I'm going to go ahead and click on customize this template. Okay, guys. So here we are in the design and edit section. So we can go ahead and make edits to this. And it's pretty easy. It's just like setting up a Facebook page, basically. So the first thing I'll do when I'm setting up a Facebook business cover is I'll go ahead and rename it up here at the top. So we'll just do Facebook business cover Anthony. So that way I can reference it later in my Canva folder. And then all you're going to do is just kind of hover over the parts that you want to change. So for example, this one right here, we can go ahead and click on it, and you're going to see this purple line around it. Just triple click on it, and then you can go ahead and change it. So maybe we'll put our YouTube channel right here. And then here, maybe we want to go ahead and put our business name. So this says business management. Let's go ahead and put, let's see, YouTube marketing. Okay. And then if you don't like the way that the letters look, you can just highlight all of them. And then up here, you can go ahead and maybe change the format or the font. So let's see, maybe we want this cursive, and you can see it automatically changes. Or maybe we like this one, Hatton. That looks pretty good, but I'm going to go ahead and leave it at, let's see here. I'm going to set this one corporate. Okay. So for me, that looks pretty good, but as you can see, it's a little small. So I'm going to go ahead and triple click on it, and then I'm just going to make it a little bit bigger, and then it's going to drop down. Okay. So now we can go ahead and click on this button right here. So it says get started. So maybe we'll go ahead and change this to professional. And then up here, digital marketing, maybe we'll say best tacos in town. And then here we can go ahead and change these out also. So maybe we want to change the color. So up here, once you have chosen, you're going to see it's purple. Maybe we want to go ahead and change that to, let's say, a green, and you can see it automatically changes. And then also maybe the little icon right here is a little small. So you can go ahead and grab these little white boxes and make it bigger. So that looks better. And then maybe you don't want it here next to your name. You can go ahead and just drag the whole box over. So maybe we'll put it right there. But I kind of like the position it was in right there. Okay. And then here on this image, let's see here, it looks like a little clock. Maybe we want to go ahead and change that. Let me move myself out of the way. Okay. So maybe we want to go ahead and change this clock. So what you're going to do is here on the left, click on upload, and then you're going to see the pictures or images that you have. And you can easily just drag your picture right over the clock, and you can see it just swaps right in. But for me, this looks kind of funky just because, I mean, it has this square look. So let me go ahead and delete that. Okay. So alternatively, what you can do is maybe we can go ahead and delete the clock. And then what we can do is we can go over here to elements. Now, these are pieces that you can add directly into your Facebook business cover. So what I like to do sometimes is I'll scroll down into this section here called frames, and then I'll just choose a frame. So basically this is going to be the image frame. So let's see here. Let's look for a really nice one. So this looks pretty cool. I like this blob. So you just drag it right on over and drop it where you want it to show up. And then maybe we want it to be a little bit bigger like what it was before, and you can just resize it like so. Okay. So it looks like cloud and grass, but what we're going to do now is go over here to upload, and then just grab a picture and drop it right into that block. And as you can see, it looks a little bit better. So maybe I need to move it around a little bit. So that looks better. So that looks pretty good. And then, as I said, there's a lot of different elements. You can also add a text box if you want to write something else in. So we dropped a text box by clicking on this purple box, and it shows up right here. And then we can just write in what we want. So this guy is cool. Okay. And then we can make it a little bigger by grabbing this little white box, and then we'll just drag it where we want it to show up. Okay. So that looks pretty good. So we've already set up our Facebook business cover now. So the last thing we need to do is go ahead and share it here on the top right. And once you do that, you're going to see this download button here on the bottom left. And then you want to choose the file type. So they recommend PNG. You can do JPG if you want. You can do a PDF if you're going to be printing this out for some reason, but I'll just leave it at PNG. And then we're going to go ahead and download right here. Okay, now it's downloaded. Let me go ahead and open it up. Okay, so there is my Facebook business cover. As you can see, it looks pretty good. It looks nice and clean. It's got some nice coloring in there. And then the only thing we need to do is go ahead and upload it into our Facebook business page. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to create a Facebook business cover for free using Canva, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.